Namaste, hello, and welcome to Yogatainment. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, guess what we are going to do? Face yoga. That's right. Some of you all might have heard this for the first time. What is face yoga and why face yoga? Did you know that just this part, हमारे चेहरे के सिर्फ इतने से part में there are about actually more than 50 muscles existing. That's right, more than 50 muscles in just the facial region. Now we do a lot of exercises, asanas, etc., for the rest of the body just to remain fit, right? What about these 50 muscles which we do not give time or do not give special attention to? So today we are going to look at some exercises which are specifically just for the facial region to exercise those facial muscles. But why? There are several reasons for that. One, to get nice toned facial features. All of us want that sharp jawline, right? So one, to get nice toned facial features. Secondly, it's going to add natural glow to your face, help you look younger. Besides that, it delays the onset of wrinkles. Also, not just for these overt reasons, they also help to reduce acne and pimples. Okay, and what's more, if you want to cut down that double chin, many of us have a nice sagging double chin, right? So these facial exercises will help to cut off that double chin and get nice toned facial features. Okay. Plus, what is the good part about this is you can do these exercises anytime, anywhere, absolutely while doing anything. You can do these while watching TV, while cooking, while working, while doing anything and everything, and some even while driving. That's great, right? So let's start with these exercises. If we look at the facial region, these exercises can be divided into 5 parts. Some for the eyebrows and forehead, then for the eyes, then for the cheekbones and the cheeks, jaws and lips, then for the ears, and then for the neck. Neck will also include the double chin practices or practices to reduce double chin. Alright, so what are we waiting for? Let's start off. But before we start off, let me tell you, the last couple of exercises that we will be doing are the simplest ones and the most funniest ones and fun to do as well. Okay, so don't miss out on them. Why are they last? Because best is always saved for the last, right? So hang on, and we'll start with each part. We'll be looking at some 2 to 3 exercises for every part, which are most handy. There are more than 50 or 60 facial exercises, alright, but we'll look at the most handy ones and those which can be practiced easily. Okay, so let's start off. While we start off, we'll first start with a little bit of warming up. So let's just start with tapping our face. Not too hard, बहुत जोर से नहीं. We're going to tap. You can do that for about 20 to 30 seconds. Just like waking up all the muscles. You continue that for about 20 to 30 seconds. One more advantage, by the way, of these facial exercises, which is tried and tested, is that you're going to feel fresh right away. आपको कितनी भी नींद आती हो, just 5 to 10 minutes of these exercises and you're going to feel absolutely fresh. So do try them out, alright? So yes, we first started with tapping. Then we go on to the forehead. Now, forehead exercises will, one, help us to reduce these frowny lines that we have. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so the one for forehead is, we start with first massaging our eyebrows. So very slowly and simple. This also helps to actually reduce headaches if you have. So what you do is just hold your eyebrows and gentle, आराम आराम से करना है. Do that 4 to 5 times. Go on to the other one. Just taking them and you relax. You can repeat it 2 to 3 times. The next one for the forehead region is we're going to rub the forehead, but very gently. What you do is keep your hands in a V like this and the other one, so you're kind of making an arrow, and we rub the two opposite direction. So one goes forward, one goes backward. Actually both forward and both backward. You do that. You can do that for about 10 seconds. Don't do it so much so that you rub off your skin. Alright, go easy with it. We're going very slow and easy. You rub it. Alright, next we do is once again a kind of rubbing and massaging. What you do is right from the trunk of the nose, you go here and up, here and up. So you start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going right from the nose and above your eyebrows. You start slow and then you can actually increase the pace a little bit if you wish to. Continue that once again for about 10 to 15 seconds. Again going easy, we are not rubbing out the skin. Going absolutely easy. Alright. And we can relax. Next we go on is to the nose. Okay, so for the nose, what we do is we're going to pinch, like we did pinch massage for the eyebrows, we're going to do pinch massage for the nose. Halka halka, not really pinching off, but simple pinch massage. Once you reach the top, you get your mouth in a O and pull. Okay, we'll do that once again. So you pinch, pinch, pinch. One more. One last. Okay, you can repeat all of these about 5 to 8 times. The next one for the nose is you go making small circles and pull it down. Actually, you can keep your mouth in O again. And you can also rub a little. Nice. Alright, the next one is for the cheekbones. Alright, before the cheekbones we did the forehead, eyebrows. For the eyes, we have 2 separate videos called as eye yoga or eye exercises. You can check them out. So I won't be covering eye exercises in this video. You can check those in the previous one. We'll go on to the cheeks.